do 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 do. Oh, it's late in the day, and he's got a messy desk. All the IPOs have failed. All the IPOs have failed today, and the sky is gray. So if you're looking for reasons to sell, I'm going to give you 3 of them. All the IPOs today failed. UVXY only went down 20 cents. Tesla has given back 300 points. Funko has officially gone out of business. U.S. Steel still stinks. I don't know. I'm looking for reasons to sell, but there really aren't any. We never go down. It's incredible. But what's great about it is that it helps the reversals work that much better, because if you came into the market today looking at Qualcomm down 3 or 4 points, knowing that the market never goes down, knowing that Qualcomm has a pretty great business model, pretty great things going on over there at Qualcomm, and then it's breaking over the VWAP, there's really no question whether or not you should be buying it or not, and boom, there's your trade for the day. So Qualcomm was awesome. Actually did all right with Grubhub. And the heck was the other one? I didn't do it. That's why I don't remember. Oh, you're right. Worldwide Wrestling Corporation. Woo! So, yeah, that was awesome. I got into that one late at 47. I made $1 on it. But, Gary, I just wanted to call back and update you on all the holdings, because generally this is not my thing. I'm in a ton of positions right now. We got the DDD, which we took half off because we got to 1250. So we crushed the DDD, nailed it. All right. We got the GE. We're loaded on the GE, but we're looking to load up even more tomorrow, right? Teva Pharmaceuticals, triple top now around that 1250 area. So we cashed out of most of that too. Still got a smidgen. But we added Grubhub, just a little goofy trade for the overnight. Looking, again, just assuming that the stocks never go down. But loving the Qualcomm, own the Qualcomm, own the options. We're in the 90s, we're in the 91s, and we're loving it. They're in the QCOM too. I don't know if you hear my guy trading in the background. But I'm sort of kidding when I say the market. I'm looking for signs for the market to go down. There'll be a big sign. It'll be when the market's going down. And it will not be on a headline. So let me explain the difference. So far, every sell-off in the last 8 or 9 years, right, has been a media-driven event sell-off. There's been a reason that we're selling off. Name a disease, China, tariffs, Trump this, tweet that. When the market starts to sell off organically, again, last January's move was kind of organic because there really wasn't any specific, notion other than the little idea that there was a recession coming, and that fear exploded, and then obviously turned into the greatest buying opportunity in the history of this market last January. When the market sells off, I'll be the first guy to tell you what to do. But right now, you can't fight the funk. Right now, I think we're rallying till April 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Because again, if I was a hedge fund manager, which I sort of am, I got, I don't know, what do you got? What do I need to call I got 300,000 under management. Whatever, right? If I had some serious ducats, right? And I'm going into tax season. I held all my stocks that I'm up huge on, right? But let's say I did sell some last year. I got to pay some taxes on them now, right? So now I'm going to sell some more of my winners, probably April 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, to pay my tax bill. So I probably look, again, if the market rallies, I'm getting smoked on Grubhub. Oh, well. It's only one contract. It's only going to be $100. Oh, maybe I got a shot. Maybe I got a chance. Nope, it's coming back now. Anyway, I'll know tomorrow. I just did a 55, 56.50 call spread in Grubhub just in case it was to go green. Anyway, if this market rallies all for the rest of February, what day is this? Oh, by the way, Bob Marley's birthday. Let's put some Rastafari on. We missed Bob Marley's birthday, didn't we? It was yesterday, right? Or was it today? I should know that considering I have a tattoo on my leg. Oh, I was right. It's today. I play some Rasta, but I don't want to get the video banned, but we'll give one little shout out. Ja Rastafari, no apology. All right, man. Happy birthday to Bob Marley. Anyway, that's it, because I'll probably get banned from YouTube. What we're going to do is we're going to watch some earnings reports tonight, see how they report, and then I'll show you what we're going to be doing tomorrow. And if you're nice and you ask politely, I'll let you come into our chat room tonight. We do some drinking, we do something else, and we talk options, and we talk earnings reports, and we game plan for Friday. Usually this is a paid-for event, but I will allow you guys, because of my Tesla trading this week, I will allow you guys to hang with me if you're interested. But you got to send an email, go through the proper channels. Email info@hitthebid.com. He'll give you a temporary username and password, and we go live around 9:30 tonight, my time. So 9:30 my time. Baba Booey. Has anybody noticed that the market closed at the highs of the day? Yeah, because we never go down. Yeah, that's why. So anyway, getting hammered on that Grubhub, but again, one contract, not overly concerned. Got the real, I got the Grubhub call spread, but I got the Qualcomm without a call spread. So loving my Qualcomm, holding it overnight. And I'll just assume the market's up another 120 points on the Dow. We'll probably be at another 65, 75 points on the NASDAQ. And I think we rallied to April 1st. What's up, YouTube? So Tesla higher from here or low from here? They're asking me on YouTube. I think it goes absolutely nowhere, but stays in a 200-point range. So if it goes to 660, I'd be a buyer. It goes back to 860, I'd be a seller. So I sold options on it again today. 1880s. I got the Aprils today. April 1880 naked call. And obviously I got the 1200s for tomorrow. So unless Tesla goes up 500 points tonight, I think I'm going to be good with my Tesla naked premium selling idea. And now the other ones are 1,100 points out of the money. So even if it goes up 500 points, I would still have 600 points to negotiate. That's crazy. All right, so now what we do for you new guys, we look at who's reporting earnings. Soligello put the list out there. What I would be doing right now is checking either your stock twits, your Benzingas, or your earning whispers. Biggest thing I'm watching today is Uber. We got in, we got out, the stock sold off. We've been on the right side of this trade for a month. So now, gonna love it. Love it. I love Uber. I think the stock is going to recover. I think we're going to go inevitably higher, but obviously I don't know how it's going to react to how much money they're going to say they've lost. Probably going to say they lost $75 billion, whatever it is. So what we're hoping for, again, because I'm bullish to Uber, I hope it goes down on the report and gives me a chance for it to base out and do what Qualcomm did today, do what Grubhub did today, do what WWE did today, and we get that same setup tomorrow, because I love the Uber trade. I love it. And I love the fact that it pulled back into the report. So Pinterest also. Your Pinterest is rocking. It's my wife's stock. I'm selling it. Sell it out of your account. Doesn't know what I'm doing. No idea what I'm talking about. You still trading Pinterest? It's up 25. Don't you own it at 19? See that big size on the offer just got gobbled up at 25? Sweet. Now, immediately I'm thinking Pinterest is a short tomorrow. 15%. Once you get over 15%, anything above 15%, that's where you start looking for a retrace. So this thing opens up at 18, 19% higher. Definitely a short, and obviously someone's taking my advice and selling it right now. Whoa, huge size on the offer. Oh my God, see that 25 guy? Wow. Million shares for sale there at 25. Let's see if it gets right back over it. But again, Pinterest, now that it's gapping up pretty big, probably look to sell some of that tomorrow. Big size at 25, getting gobbled up. Still, that's a huge number for tomorrow. 25. Wow, that's going to be a massive number. Massive. See how the 25s all got. That was 3 million shares bought at 25 just now. Awesome. Awesome. And remember, just 2 quarters ago, Pinterest was getting slammed in the aftermarket on an earnings report, downgraded by 13 out of 14 analysts, and the stock is now up close to 50% since. So once again, nobody knows anything ever. Nobody knows anything. Just trade momentum, VWAP, and range breaks. And Uber is going down. Let's put the Uber on the chart, and we'll go back and we'll come back to these later tonight, and we'll mark the levels of knee-jerk reactions. So Uber knee-jerk reactions so far down, already bounced 70 cents, 75 cents, 80 cents, already going back into the green. Oh, Uber, fun times. Wow, that was pretty violent. Oh, those were bad prints, actually. But good. Crush the Uber. Kill it. Remember, the more Uber goes down in the aftermarket, the more money we're going to make when it bounces tomorrow, because you know it is. So Uber. All right, let's refresh these lines. Pinterest at 25 is a monster number. Another basically 2 million shares going into 25 right here. That is a monster number. You know what's a monster number? 36 on Uber also. Just flashed some big size, just got gobbled up. By the way, you see how Pinterest, once it flashed that big size at 25 2 times, look where it is now at the highs of the day. 25, 3 tons of them. My wife with her Pinterest and her Snap, what a portfolio. All right, now, you know I don't like trading in the aftermarket, my friends, but 37 bucks on Uber would be a reversal, and I'm in small. I'm in, and I will sell 100 here at 30. Whoa, wow! I just sold 100 at 37.30. Bad price. That was dumb. All right, I'm on the offer. Sold. Thank you, earnings reversal. Thank you very much for playing on the Uber. I was hoping this would be for tomorrow, but you see why I bought the Uber just there? Knee-jerk reaction down, VWAP break goes into the green. I'm buying it, and I probably shouldn't have sold it all. But earnings reversals are the only time you want to trade in the aftermarket. Is this thing on? Wow, earnings reversal on an Uber for a payday already. Now, again, this trade would have been a lot awesomer tomorrow if it opened up at 35.50, chop it around a little bit, and then we get ourselves some 36.50 calls, and then it blasts off. But there's a couple of $100 for you, right? Bang, 37 entry, 37.50 and 38 out, gone. Look what the trade is now, right around. Whoop, you're in, you're out. You're a dude old in out, bang, cash. What's up? Now you don't care. Now we could do that one again tomorrow. Got some Uber money for tomorrow. Look at it, going back into the red now. Who's the greatest trader? You're talking to him right here. You're talking to him right here. You're talking to him right here. Wow, that was awesome. I thought I was going to regret selling that last one at 38 there when it started taking off. But oh, we're going to make so much money on Uber tomorrow. It's going to be fun. And you know, Qualcomm's opening up at 92. You might as well just buy more Qualcomm right now. You might as well just buy more Qualcomm right now. You know where this thing's going to be. Let's buy another 100 shares in the aftermarket like a psycho. Yeah, give me some Qualcomm. There you go. I have no doubt about this Qualcomm trade. $92 at the open tomorrow. All right, Pinterest, definitely looking to sell this short tomorrow. I don't care unless it breaks 26.30, of course, and then it's going to 27.50. I don't know what the all-time high is on Pinterest. I'm a fan of Pinterest. I just like shorting stocks when they're up 20%. You know what else is fun about this? If you guys have been paying attention, I know you are. Twitter last quarter, terrible report. Stocks going out of business. No reason to own Twitter. Poorly run. They're never going to figure out how to monetize the company. Downgraded by 14 out of 15 analysts. And then 3 months later, blowout quarter. Everything's awesome. Upgrades across the board. And the stock's up 22%. No one knows anything. So all you guys that are out there thinking fundamental analysis means something, Funko, Tesla, Uber, Pinterest, means nothing. It's a catalyst, and then it's over. Numbers are out. You want to go crunch some numbers? Pinterest sees FY20 sales up 1.52 billion versus 1.5. Ooh, they beat their estimate by 0.2 billion. Did they? It's all baloche. It's all baloney. You know it's not baloney? Knee-jerk reaction down on Uber, breaks back over the 1 minute and the whole number, and bang. I do, as a matter of fact. When? I've been thinking about it. It's been I haven't done anything since 94. 8-ball, you ready? You watching these levels? Do you see why Uber was a buy? You understand that, right? I'm thinking bullish. I'm loving bullish. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. And then it gave me a reason to even love it more because it went green and broke the VWAP. Is this thing on? Am I on? I don't even think this is on. I think I'm just talking to you guys. I'm not sure. Baba Booey. And there she is, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look. Anybody ever see my wife? Look at that. It's my model wife. Everybody doesn't think I'm married. Think I'm living in the basement. Where you been all day? She's a hot chick carrying a gun. She just came in with a gun. Thanks. Put her in a bikini. Put her on YouTube, right? Something about women shooting semi-automatic weapons. I can't get enough of that. Look at her holding all these. Look at all. Wait. Show the. Look at her. She's holding a bunch of bullets.
We have the teacher coming to the house. You don't need the teacher saying.
Oh, yeah, there's bullets all over the house. I'm going shooting. I didn't get to go yesterday. I got armaments lying all over my house, like we're going to war. All right. So we got Pinterest out, Uber already fantastic. Who else we got? Spit them out. Oh, I should put CNBC on. This is the only time it actually matters. Hey, what's up, man? Oh man, Pinterest. This thing's gonna see 2750 tomorrow. Absolutely insane. So yeah, to the guy that was asking me about GE again, absolutely perfect. We are locked and loaded, ready to rock this GE tomorrow. All right. And if it's gapped over 13, it's going to take some of the awesomeness away. This opens up anywhere below 13. We break 13 tomorrow, you're gonna catch people off guard, man. Yeah, big size on the offer once again, right? Huge size on the offer at 25. Where's the stock now? Guys, you know this market is all about spoof trading, right? I mean, I am Neo and I understand I am the Matrix and I created all of this, so I know a little bit better than everybody. But I'm telling you guys, if you're looking at level twos, watch when they flash the big size, especially if the big size is on the direction that the stock is in. They're trying to scare you. Stock's ripping higher, they'll show you big size on the offer. Oh my God, it's not going to get through that. Yeah, it is. Look at it go now. You're going to 2750 on this bad boy. Now, again, I'm not a big fan of buying the breakouts. I liked Uber a lot better because we got a nice gap down before to buy it. And again, not really huge trading in the aftermarket, but if Pinterest gets to 2750 tomorrow, probably still going to look to short it. Anything over 20%, usually you get a 5% pullback. So still, the higher Pinterest goes, the better. Because I think we're still going to get a decent short off on that one. Now Uber just flirting around with this 3750. We got to get it out of here, but this 3750 is going to be legit because most of the volume right now has been going in between 3730 and 3750. So this number is going to be very important tomorrow. Gotti, man, yeah. Let's go. What do we got? You want to go see Airborne Toxic Event in April? Any concerts coming up before that? I got Airborne in April at the Bowery. I don't know. Well, look, we could just go to a club, man. Come on, I'll get an oxygen tank. I'll bring my Ben Gay and some oxygen. We'll have some mushroom tea. It's been since 1994. I don't know if my brain is ready to be out amongst people. Because I would hate to have a bad trip and have to, freak out in a corner of a club somewhere. All right, come on, give me some more. Activision Blizzard, right? They make Pitfall. And if you're old like me, you know what I just said. Pitfall, remember that game? Atari 2600. It was cutting edge. Activision. The stock's going well. Man, Pinterest is the squeeze-a-rooski here. All right, ATVI, Uber, Pinterest. All right, we got those covered. How about Skechers? They make really, really comfortable shoes. SKX. Gapping up. Okay. Oh, Take-Two Interactive. So we got two gaming companies. Ooh, Take-Two, they halted it. Haven't seen a halt on an earnings report in a while since Bed Bath & Beyond. That's usually not good. How about Wynn? Nothing going on there. Wynn, T-Mobile came out. Really, it's just Pinterest is the one that has the most activity right now. Fortnite, FTFT, that's a big. Oh, no, wrong company. FTNT, right. There's a lot to check out, actually. Yeah, you got Columbia Sportswear. A lot of MyGen. Remember MyGen? That thing's been awful for quite a while, and it's awful again tonight. But that stock has been a decent bouncer also. All right, so you guys get all these names written down somewhere. We'll come back later tonight. Let's say 9:30. We'll see how they, what the chop was like, where they based out, where they closed, and then we'll set a game plan for tonight. So considering I'm going to be back at 9:30, risk. Yeah, James, you coming? I'm waiting on you. Yeah, I just got all my bullets. Yeah, I got the 50 cals, baby. Let's go blow something up. What do I think about the Tesla battery conference coming up? I don't know I don't know. I know that I'm short calls on the stock, so I don't care what they say anymore. I think the stock's going to stay in the 660, 880, 660, 880 range until they report earnings again. So when is that? Maybe April. So maybe coinciding with the conference, they'll be reporting earnings. I don't know. I'm shorting calls 1,000 points out of the money. That's all I got on the stock. But it was a great trade today. I made 40 points on a reversal on Tesla at 9:45. Went green. No thought process needed. Buy it. Stock went green. Caught the shorts napping. Rips to 750. Bang. Cash. I mean, I wish I could rock like 1,000 shares of Tesla on that move, but absolutely. Space. Still my biggest holding right now. Yeah. I know. Not happy about today's action or yesterday's action. I did sell 20 shares at $20 just to say I sold some of it above 20, but really don't like the action on that. So Tesla, again, that's part of the reason that went up to 967. I know they might be, again, they might create new batteries. They could just put Energizer and Duracell out of business. It'll change batteries and life as we know it. Oh, I'm not a bear on Tesla in any way. I'm just thinking the option value will compress, making the stock could even go up, but because the volatility is coming out of the stock, the option values will compress. Is that on YouTube or hit the bid? Where? Oh, we'll do it in the room. Do it in the room. The room that things happen, right? Isn't that the name of the book? The room where it happened. The room where it happened. Theta burn. Beta blockers. I thought it was the I omegas or the lambda. Oh, by the way, I saw what you wrote with the risk on the Pinterest. There's no risking 10 cents on an aftermarket trade. You're risking it's always basically $1 because it's so illiquid. But that $25 spot was pretty nice. Anyway, I'm hoping Uber doesn't go up too much more because I was hoping they would leave something on the table. I think we're going to see 40 tomorrow on the stock, but it's already gave a couple of different trades. Wow. Theta. I omega. Lambda. Oh, Uber, it's going to just go up without me now, isn't it? You know what? Am I going to be crazy enough to buy some right here? Yeah, big size on the offer. I'm crazy. 38 just flashed. 38 just flashed 50,000 on the offer. You're going. You're in 38s. Oh, again, big size on the offer. Buy it from that guy. 38s. 38, you got to wait. Oh, come on now. Talking about not getting paid. How could you not get paid on this trade? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See what happens in the aftermarket? You're a winner. You're a hero, then you're a zero, and then you're a zero, and then you're a hero. How'd this thing just not rip to 38.50? Come on. The hell? This thing should be $39 by now. Uh-oh. Who? How's the stock not 39 bucks already? Come on, move it. Here's the size I want to see. Go ahead. Go ahead. Now busted. I bought more Uber. Why am I doing this? I got to go somewhere. All right. If it doesn't go through 38 on this move, I'm going to dump the whole thing, but I think I should be good here. I just bought more 37, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75. I'm going to sell it all at 50 if it starts to tank, but I'm offering out at 37.99. 37.99 sold to that guy right there. There you go. Now get the heck out of here, Uber. 38.10, that's me. 38.10. 38.10. If you want to own some at 38.10, I'll be selling it to you in about 2 seconds here. 38.09, 38.08, 08, 08, 38.9, 9, 9, 10, 10. That wasn't me. 38, 38.08. I'll hit the bid right there. 07, so I went to that guy. And now I got 100 left. 38.10, 38.10, 38.10, 38.10. Big size on the offer. 38. Oh, somebody got in the way. And I sold it at 38. Oh, no, it's going to go up without me now. What else is new? All right, cool. Trading in the aftermarket, kids. On big size on the offer, worked 3 times. Uber flashed big size on the offer at 37.50, 37.65, and 38. You know, I was hoping to get paid a lot more when it broke 38, but bought more on that pullback. Just dumped the rest at 38, 38.10. Pinterest, I'm going to short the crap out of that thing tomorrow if it doesn't break 27.50. I'll see you guys at 9:30. Email my faithful assistant. Thank you for the guys that have signed up. Don't forget to tip Solid Jello. Best 3 or 4 hour session you'll ever spend if you want to know about the mathematical formulas and how we find our trades and everything about coding and everything there is to know about VWAP and the mathematical intricacies of it all, including the modus tollens and the probability, all that stuff. Your thetas, your betas, your deltas, your I omegas, your lambdas, and the omega moves, all right there for you. Tonight. All right. I'll see you guys, and I'll be blasting things. I'll see you at the range. You coming here first, or you want to go to the range first? Let's go. Solid Jello, somebody's looking for you. Kime's looking for you. He needs a private session. He's been hanging with us since 2007. And by the way, Frank Sylvester, if you're out there, come back, Frank. Gil, if you're out there. Aiden, if you're out there. Gail. Deb, I'm still waiting for your triumphant return. Jessica, we don't talk about that stuff anymore in the room. Come on back. Everybody come on back, man. Come on back. Where's Malice? Where's Buffett Disciple? Where's all those maniacs that were in my room in 2004? Remember that chat room? Come on back, everybody. It's a party going on and it never ends. Even 8 Ball's back in the house. I mean, seriously. All right, I really got to go. And a little focacci's. We got the Remingtons ready to go. I got my buckshot, blow some stuff up. Boom. I'm going to shoot the DP-12. We'll shoot some Chris Victors, a couple of HKs, and a partridge in a pear tree. All right. So you know what we're holding, right? We got the stupid, dumb, whatever the hell that was, Grubhub. That looks like it's going to be money wasted. We'll see tomorrow. But I love my Qualcomm. Loving this Uber for tomorrow some more. Hopefully it pulls back again. We'll be looking at Pinterest, and we'll cover all this stuff now. All right, y'all. Yes is the answer. All right. Great, fantastic day. I know. All right. Latris on the N and the Mengen. Anybody needs anything, just info@hitthebid.com. The Minotaur is waiting by patiently. See ya. Stop in. Email us. I'll give you the link if you want to hang out. This is Thursday night. What I do for the members is we go over all these reports that came out. We plan some attacks, plot out some option ideas, event statements. If this breaks, then which contract, that kind of thing. Just a little game planning. The last 2 Fridays have been the best Fridays of the entire year because we had some selling finally. James, if you're out there, call me. Or if you're, I don't know, we're going or not going. I think we are going, and all that jazz. It didn't drop to $90.30. I don't know what you're talking about. I was only in the Qualcomm after it broke $89.50. So for me, it never did anything other than stay in the trend. Once it broke back over $89.50 was the only time I was even associated with this trade, except for the first trade at 10 o'clock this morning at 87.10. But I don't know. Vertical. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at all that. ZGNX. Whoa. ZGNX. That'll be fun tomorrow. What's that? All right, I got to get out of here. All that stuff. Yeah, ZGNX. Did that just report numbers? Because that is down 33. That sounds like something like their drug doesn't work or something. ZGNX. Yeah, I guess it's a drug. Yeah. And there goes Uber without me. All right, everybody. Yeah, I mean, I just hope it doesn't go too far tonight. I just want there to be something left on the table. Because this thing's got some potential to get some squeezies. Some nice move. But Uber already with earnings reversal in the aftermarket. That's why we're sticking with it. All right. I'll see you guys at 9:30 or so. Later. See ya.